Barcelona room tour. There is a full-length mirror on the back of the door. Gotta put your key card in to get electricity. Typical European. This is the bathroom. We literally just got here. Oh, this is the bath gel, shampoo, conditioner. Nice shower with subway tile. And then over here, hair dryer, vanity sink, bag full of toiletries, I guess, and the toilet bowl. And then you come down this hallway and you have a couple of closets. Already hung up jackets, but nice and big. And then there's another one. This one has a safe and a coffee maker or tea and several levels of shelves. And then you come around and there's my mother. It's a desk with a little mini fridge, but there's like a mini bar in it. This is a double bed, a chair, nice size television. This is supposed to be a classic room. The view is pretty trash, but whatever. That is the terrible view. Library Media Center of the hotel. It's very nice. There's bathrooms. Not really many people out here, which is great. It's really nice and chill. I'm chilling over here on the couch. Alright, day 2. We're just like about 7-something in the morning. About to get breakfast downstairs in the hotel. Nobody's down here yet. Yay! So, let me show you what they got out so far. Anyway, this is how they set up the dining room. It's pretty cool, very comfy. The tables come out and then you have all this goodness here. And then over here,
I don't know what that is. Quiche.
Teas and stuff. Machine. They have yogurts, cereals, fresh fruit, orange juice, and water. Nice good spread to start the day. We just finished breakfast. This is what the terrace area looks like in the daytime. They play a lot of American music, particularly African American. Oh, what's over here? The bathrooms. Let's see. Oh, there's day beds over here and loungers. Had no idea. Our room faces that trash. Oh, and then they have outdoor showers. I don't know why there's no pool, but I guess if it gets hot enough and you just want to sunbathe, that works. And then the baños. See what they look like. Everything is super nice. Everything in the hotel is like motion sensor with a light, which is great. So they're not wasting energy. So yeah, this is really nice.